Hi guys, this is Techno-X-Gens. Basically today I'm just gonna be dwelling on a RedHat 8.8 installation, and I'm just not gonna waste any time. As we can see here on top, guys, we have five options: new, add, settings, and start and discard. I'm just gonna press new because we're gonna be doing a new installation. On the name, I'm just gonna say Red Hat 8.8. This is just for demonstration purposes. Then I'm gonna choose my ISO. Okay. Then I'm just gonna hit next. After that, then here on hardware, I'm just gonna leave everything as default. Okay. Then as for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna leave it with 20G. Then press next on the summary side. Then just gonna press finish. Okay, as we can see here, it shows us the summary of things we have selected, default settings of the system, and all of that info. I'm just gonna hit start. Okay, just gonna wait for it. As you can see here on your right hand, it's showing powering the VMware up with 0%. Just gonna wait. Okay, just gonna enlarge the screen. Okay, then here guys, I'm just gonna we have two options basically. Install Red Hat Enterprise and test the media. Then I'm just gonna say install. Okay, just have to wait a bit and see what options it's populating for us. Let's just give it some time. And since it does this, guys, I just wanna share a few insights of processes. We have six boot processes basically, which are BIOS and MBR, and we have grab, and we have kernel, init, and run levels, guys. Which is something, especially as a beginner or as a Linux engineer, you must be familiar with and understand how they work. Then it's gonna make life easy, especially when coming to troubleshooting issues related to grab, or maybe the your OS doesn't wanna start up, things like that basically, or if you wanna um, boot into a GUI mode, or boot into a terminal mode or console mode, such things. It's really effective to know those six processes. By the way, as we can see here, it's still doing its background checks. Let's just be patient with it. I think it's almost done. Let's just give it some few seconds. Okay, since we are here, now it shows us the options here, the language that you need to select with the welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.8. I'm just gonna leave the standard options like this, which is gonna be English and English. Then I'm gonna press continue here on your down right hand. Then you're gonna just say continue. Okay, let's just give it some sec. Okay, then now we are in the installation summary screen, which we have localization. Yes, we can see we have keyboards, language support, and time and date. As we can see, guys, there's a difference between these options. Basically, the other ones, they show caution. They're showing a caution sign with red text underneath, which shows that we need to fill up those ones that have caution logo on it, by the way. And on the software side, we see we have two here, the connect to Red Hat and the software select. Just gonna demonstrate here. Okay, here it says authentication, guys. We have two accounts here. account and activation key. On the account part, guys, when you register to your Red Hat platform, basically they're gonna request your username and password, which goes with your subscription, your free subscription. And if you wanna buy the subscription from Red Hat, you can use the activation key. They will give you the activation key. Then you're gonna input them here. But today, just wanna showcase that. Then on your left hand top, you guys just gonna press done throughout this course, by the way, especially on the screen. Yeah, it's a matter of device selection. This is the disk we selected, and we have a disk name there which is SDA, and it shows us the size 20 GB free. Since we haven't done the installation yet, it still shows free there, and we're gonna say done. Then we're gonna come to network. Okay, on network here we have a name of a nick. Our nickname, it's gonna be ENP0S3. And as we can see here, guys, it shows disconnected with no IP and DNS. And down below, we can see host name, which is localhost. Then we have extra configuration. If maybe you want to configure another nick, you can still do that by pressing here on config. Then here, I'm just gonna close this. Okay, then we're gonna say on by by pressing there off on the off. It's gonna slide it to your right, which is gonna set it on. Then when you wanna set it off, you're gonna just press on your left. But as we can see, guys, here now we have the IP, the default route, and the DNS. Basically, it shows that it's connected there on the status underneath. Then we're gonna hit done. Now, as we can see, guys, it's no longer red. It's no longer having a caution sign, and we're gonna come to user settings here. And another good thing about this, it's that they categorize these settings via headers. As we can see here, we have user settings, and both user creation and root password are showing with red and caution. Just for demonstration, I'm just gonna put a password here to show that it's gonna clear off. Then we press done. As we can see here, it means we have done everything right. And here you can put your full name, username, password, and password, confirm your password. Then we hit done. Then, as we can see here, we even have security policies. You can do that, and we have in the KD KDUMP. Can read through that, but most important settings are basically connect to Red Hat, installation destination, network, and this one here, software selection. Basically today, guys, I was just demonstrating the setup bar or menu, and I'm gonna make another video that I'm gonna be showcasing the whole installation, a complete installation, by the way. But today I just wanna go through and touch base on this menu. Then for today, it's just gonna be this, guys. Please like and subscribe and tune in for more. Thanks for watching.